This week on the Sum
Ito,
Up.
can you take us back dun sa panahon na you were just starting? Ano yung pinaka-challenge for you?
I think it's trying to accept who you are as a performer, that you will always be a little different, and that's okay. Because there'll be pressures from other drag queens to fit a certain mold. Na parang dapat ganito ka, dapat wala kang bigote. So parang who gets to decide what's the definition of what a drag queen is, or a drag performer? I think people should also understand that in a format like in a reality show like Drag Den or Drag Race Philippines, it might give them a perception of what drag is or what it should be, but it has a lot of layers to it, especially when you go into a queer space like in a nightclub scene.